Kamboti Rempah Maluku, located in the city of Ambon in the province of Maluku, is a company that specializes on nutmeg post-harvest management. Kamboti Rempah Maluku aims to assist Maluku's regional government to put Maluku back on the map as the renowned spices island, most notably since the 19th century, and to have Maluku's nutmeg acclamation in the international settings for its exclusive production and exported directly from Ambon. Since Indonesia independence in 1945, Maluku's nutmeg had received little appreciation mainly because it was hoarded by local buyers or dealers and sold within their network in Surabaya or Jakarta. This resulted during exportation, the international world understand about the origin of nutmeg is no longer Maluku, but Surabaya or Jakarta. Kamboti Rempah Maluku collaborate with international buyer Pacific Spice located in Europe and supported by Stichting Titane in the Netherlands. Every exported nutmeg by Kamboti Rempah Maluku will document its place of origin such as village or island on its package, so every consumer who consume Maluku's nutmeg will understand the originality of the spice in a hope to improve Maluku tourism abroad, especially for nutmeg plantation cultural tourism, as well as promoting Maluku as the spice islands or Maluku as the starting point of the world spice route. Kamboti Rempah Maluku purchase maize or nutmeg flowers and nutmeg seeds raw and dry, either through Knox system or shell directly from the farmers. The drying process carried solely by solar oven or drying under the heat of the sun, without smoke or wood burning, with the aim of preserving the environment. Kamboti Rempah Maluku Nutmeg Production Warehouse was visited by the Secretary of the Directorate General of Plantation, Ministry of Agriculture, Mr. Antarjo Dikin PhD. The testimony of Mr. Antarjo Dikin PhD as follows.
Good morning. We are now in the Maluka of Indonesia. This island, the famous 100 years ago, as the production of the spices. Now we are in the exporter of spices of Indonesia. The puli is the flower from the nutmeg. This is already export all over the world. Beside of me, the one of the exporter, handling of this, how the process of this, I will talk to you later. This is the puli already exported, number of countries, but normally they are not directly from the Ambon or Malukas. They are through the Surabaya or Makassar. There is exit point of the product export to another country. Like we are now in the discussion with US. US import a lot of this, no any numbers of limited for the exported to the US. So please to the all exporter of Indonesia, particularly the spice exporting, bring the product to US or to Europe or other country need of this one. This is really support for the economic of Indonesia. This is the product of the nutmeg. You can have a look here. This is the premium grade. You can have a look clearly. It's different with on the right side, the second grade. The texture of the skin from the nutmeg itself. And also this really dry. No any fungus, no mycotoxin. They already processed using sunlight. No any chemical. It's really healthy product from Maluku. So this is ready for the export to Netherlands. So not the only Netherlands, other country already well known the product from Maluku. This is the one of the famous in Indonesia. Look at here, the second grade. And also this depend on the country as their request. Mostly the country they want to have the first grade with different price from the second grade. So this is realistic. But the most important thing, no any infestation from the quarantine pest has been required from importing country, and also free from mycotoxin. This product follow the standard Codex. Codex means there is international standard for the food. There's already known in FAO. At the same time, should be free from any pest. That also follow from the IPPC standard. So all the product from Indonesia follow the international standard. Don't worry, the quarantine guarantee and also food security of Indonesia doing like that. Based on the standard, and Director General of Estate Crop always support of that fund from the farmers until product ready for the export. So this is realistic what the government support agriculture, particularly the farmers, and also for our smallholders, small estate company related with this product. So this is another product, the flesh of nutmeg. Like in Bali, they use the skin of coffee. They call it cascara. So this is another product from the nutmeg that normally the people as what's called dessert, but now it is already dry. Number country also using of this for the drink, like we already drink last night in the restaurant. This also the famous in here. The nutmeg from Moluccas is different from another island, more strong, more hot, and really indigenous from this island, and they already registered and international already well known and already registered in Lisbon Agreement. So this is really realistic in the life. So that's why until now the Moluccas maintain the naturally no any toxic, and they're producing in here organic product from Moluccas, Indonesia. Now we can have a look here how the quarantine officer doing inspection. They take a sample here for guarantee the product of nutmeg, no any insect contamination. Even they already dry, make sure there is no any pest associated with the commodity. And also to find the insect in the packaging. Even the packaging, they're using mostly this what's called the gunny. It is really a risk. Sometimes they are not really clean, so live insect there. If they found, they do fumigation or other treatment, but mostly we do the fumigation depend on the requirement, what kind of fumigant they use, whether they use metabromide or they're using phosphine. So this is normally done in the quarantine procedure. And they take sample, bring to the laboratory to assure there is no any fungus present there. Of course, they're doing the other technique, method to growing the fungus, and also doing the inspection or laboratory analysis should be free from mycotoxin. So this is the guarantee, the product free from this infestation that's not required by the importing country, mostly in the West. Farmers, they are really strong commitment how to maintain the product free from any contaminant from the fungus. How they're doing, in rainy season, they're using this chamber. They call it dry open. They're using the light or heater from the sunlight mostly, but they can use another source of the heat by using charcoal, coconut charcoal. As I already explained, number of countries how they importing charcoal for the source of the heat. The heat producing from the charcoal until 600 degrees Celsius, how hot it is, but they maintain the circulate of the heat in these chambers for drying of the power of the nutmeg. Salah Indonesian name, but English say nutmeg. So everybody drying by this during rainy season. How they strong commitment to the import requirement. So this is another technology built by the company, collaborate with the farmers. Small company, they can also producing this technology by using hot water. Hot water they're producing from the sunlight. The sunlight heated the waters goes down in this chamber, big chamber. They bring it to these containers. Here, the open. So the open will be circulated like that, heating, but of course this heating temperature, no any heat from other source except from this sunlight. This is another technology, but it's a little bigger than the other side, as I told you, open or hot, dry chambers. So look at here, this technology, as I told you, using hot water from the sunlight and consolidate. If that machine goes here, so I feel it hot. You see the temperature higher than outside. This is how they're doing. This is for drying the clove flowers. That's from Maluku, Indonesia. This is dry due to the sunlight. It's difficult to find here. Now it's rainy season in Maluku. They use this technology. So this is how the commitment from the smallholders company collaborate with the farmers in here to produce the clove from Maluku is free from any fungus contamination. So this is the machine for the cracking of the fruit of the nutmeg. You can also crack in the fruit and also preparation to skin on and also the fruit. But this is the size bigger than here. Small one. So there is a big here. From here and go here. In here they're doing sortation, particularly the pulley. It's the flower. We call it the flower from nutmeg. You can have a look. Our lady doing very well and already trained people here. We educate them clearly how to recognize this pulley, whether it is free from fungus or not. They just look at the color. You can have a look at here. It's the black. This is from the contaminant of the fungus, but it's the red color, so it is clean. So this is process after they're doing drying. Drying, they make two systems using solar dryer. This from the sunlight and also make the using open. So open is suddenly used if they're in here during rainy season. You cannot find any sunlight in here. They use on that one. So the temperature is really good enough not to broken of the pulley, still in red color, not to be destroyed the product, and they still maintain good quality. At the same time, they're measuring the water content of the pulley, mostly around 10%. And before they put in the containers, that product ready for the export. Now look at here, the lady also they're doing screening. This they're doing whether they do screening or selection, really mature fruits or not mature. You can distinguish, this is a wrinkle. This is mostly the harvesting in young fruit, still green, not like this, but it's really completely red. It's really totally better quality for the export. Mostly we do like this. At the same time, when they are doing screening, look at that lady, they know how the fungus, is the fungus contaminate the roots of nutmeg. And then also look at here, well known, how they distinguish, make the hole of the fruits. This is the insect. It is doesn't like by the quarantine. Quarantine doesn't like all this commodity happen like this. They always reject. So they well known how the principle of the quarantine. Quarantine people already trained of this. We have system in here, inline inspection we call it. So they know well to make assurance the ladies or the people doing sortation, they well know how to select the commodities, whether it is like this from the young fruits or it is mature fruit. At the same time, they know the fruits, whether it is contaminated with the fungus or it is infested by the insect. So this is they already done in here to make sure to keep good quality as required by the importing country.